Hey guys, today we're going to start talking about solving proportions. This is a new chapter, however we're kind of continuing on from our last proportions chapter and just looking at things in a new different way. So starting off, if the ratios A over B and C over D, given that B and D are non-zero numbers, are equivalent, then AD is equal to BC. So let's look at that again together. If I have two fractions, so I have this fraction here, and we know that our denominator cannot equal 0. If I multiply in this kind of like cross action here, they should be equal to one another. So for example, if I have 2/5, and I want to see if that's equal to 4/10, I can do this cross multiplying and see if those products are equal to one another. So I can see if 2 times 10 is equal to 5 times 4. 2 times 10 is 20, and 5 times 4 is 20. So yes, these two fractions are equal to each other. Let's look at the next fraction. I'd have 1 times 14 and 5 times 3. 1 times 14, does that equal to 5 times 3? Well, 1 times 14 is just equal to 14. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So these two fractions are not equivalent because their cross products are not equal. You would have talked about this last year in 6th grade. We're going to be using these cross products to solve proportion problems. So you can see we have two little cute fractions here. We want to solve for x. Now, we could solve for x by just multiplying both sides by 10 because we do have this divide in here. However, I want us to look at it using the cross products. So I'm going to look at these guys and these guys. So I'd have 6 times x, or 6x, is equal to 9 times 10. All right, so I'd have 6x is equal to 9 times 10, or 90. Now I have a one-step equation. Because I am multiplying 6 and x together, if I want to get rid of that 6, I can now just divide both sides by 6. Cancels those guys out. I'd have x is equal to 90 divided by 6, or, quick maths in my head, 15. 15. So that means if I were to replace 15 with x, 9 over 6 and 15 over 10 are the same exact fraction. Let's do the next one together. Again, I want to look at their cross products. These two and these two. So that have 4 times x, or 4x, is equal to 3 times 8. 8. Which just then simples down to 4x is equal to 24. Again, I want to get x by itself, so I can divide both sides by 4. X is equal to 6. Not too hard. Okay, I don't want to keep walking through these like a billion times for you guys because it can get boring. I get it. So I want you guys to try the rest of them out. Be careful on some of them. For example, like this one and this one. You might not get like a solid answer. It might be a decimal or a fraction, and that's okay. I will post answers tomorrow. Try your best on these. Okay, bye.